I just found this channel, and it's absolutely amazing. They have uploaded only 15 videos, yet they've already gained over 60,000 subscribers. And the income, oh my god! Just 15 videos and they're making around $4,800. I'm not going to waste your time. Don't worry, I'm not going to explain everything right now. Just watch this video until the end because it could completely change your life, and I truly mean that. First, take a screenshot of one of these characters. After that, open ChatGPT and simply type, "Please make this type of character image." Just wait a minute. You won't believe what ChatGPT can do. It will generate an amazing character image for you instantly. Then type, "Please make 5 pictures of the same character." ChatGPT will create multiple versions of that character for you. You can generate different poses, different expressions, and different situations with just a few clicks. Now you might be wondering about copyright issues. That's the best part. Instead of using someone else's character, you can create your own AI-generated character. Since it's generated by AI, you don't have to worry about copyright strikes. Once you've downloaded and saved your character images, come back to the channel. This time, take a full screenshot of all the videos on the channel, then return to ChatGPT and type, "Please copy these video titles and create image." Prompts based on these title situations. First, enter ChatGPT will generate multiple thumbnail and image prompts inspired by those video titles and concepts. Next, copy any one of those titles and paste it back into ChatGPT. Then ask, "Now give me 20 detailed prompts for this topic, in the same style and situation." Press, enter again. ChatGPT will generate 20 highly detailed prompts based on that title and scenario. You may have noticed that I'm generating prompts without including the character. There's a very important reason for that, and I'll explain it later in the video, so don't skip any part. Now let's move on to Flow AI. Here you'll find Nano Banana 2, and the best part is that it's completely free. Yes, you heard that right. No credits required, totally free. I simply copied the first prompt and pasted it here. Then I clicked Generate. Within a minute, it started creating the image, and boom, the first picture was ready. Now, I know what you're thinking. Something is missing. The character. So here's what I did. I dragged the generated image into the editor, then I dragged the character image as well. After uploading both images, I typed, "Please add this character to the first image." Then I selected the image size and clicked Generate. Within a minute, Nano Banana 2 started working, and then, boom, it perfectly placed the character into the scene. The character looked natural, the positioning was great, and everything blended together beautifully. Next, I went back, copied the second prompt, and generated another image. After that, I uploaded the character images again and typed, "Please place any one of these characters into this scene." I clicked Generate and waited for the result. And what did I see? Actually, what you are seeing right now on the screen. Just look at the results. The character is adjusted perfectly. The editor understands the scene and places the character naturally without any extra effort. Honestly, Nano Banana 2's editor is brilliant. The person who created this tool deserves a lot of credit because the results are incredibly impressive. To test it even further, I tried several more images, and every single time the results were amazing. The character fit smoothly into each scene, the quality looked great, and everything was ready to use. At this point, everything should be crystal clear for you. But don't worry, we're not done yet. The next stage is also completely free. And because you've stayed with me and watched this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use every step without spending a single dollar. So keep watching because the best part is coming next. Now come back to ChatGPT and simply ask, "Please give me step-by-step prompt-wise voiceover narration for this topic." Once ChatGPT generates the narration, copy all the voiceover sections one by one. Then organize them into clean paragraphs so they're easy to copy and paste later. After that, head over to 11 Labs. Paste the narration script into the text box and choose any voice character that you think sounds best for your audience. Take a few minutes to test different voices until you find the perfect one. Once you've selected the voice, click Generate. Within seconds, 11 Labs will convert your script into a professional AI voiceover. Now simply download the generated audio file and save it to your computer. And just like that, you've created a professional quality voiceover without recording your own voice, hiring a voice actor, or spending hours editing audio. At this point, you already have your unique AI character, your image prompts, your generated scenes, Your professional voiceover, everything is coming together perfectly, but we're still not done. In the next step, I'll show you how to combine all these assets and turn them into a complete YouTube video that looks professional and has the potential to go viral. So keep watching, because the final stage is where everything comes together. Now let's move on to Meta AI. This is where we're going to generate our videos completely free. One thing I really like about this tool is that it can create short videos in full HD quality without costing you anything. Each generated clip is around 8 seconds long, which is perfect for the type of content we're creating. I know many people still don't know about this tool, but it's incredibly simple to use. Just upload your image, paste your animation prompt, and click generate. That's it. Within a short time, your image will be transformed into a video clip. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, wait, this video doesn't have any audio. Don't worry about that at all. We already created our professional voiceover using 11 Labs, so we don't need the AI video tool to generate any sound. All we need from Meta AI is the video animation itself, so I simply repeated the same process for every image. I uploaded each image one by one, pasted the corresponding animation prompt, and generated all the video clips. Here's a useful trick. Once your video is generated, click on the video option and look for the extend feature. This feature can automatically extend a shorter clip into a longer one. For example, if your clip is around 6 seconds long, Meta AI can easily extend it to around 8 seconds. This gives you more footage to work with and makes your final video feel smoother and more professional. So I generated all my clips, extended them where needed, and downloaded every video one by one. At this point, we now have AI character images, thumbnail and scene prompts, generated images, professional voiceover, animated video clips. Everything is finally ready. Now it's time for the most exciting part. Let's move into the editing section and turn all these assets into a complete YouTube video. Now, let's move on to CapCut. At this stage, everything is already prepared. Simply import all the video clips into CapCut and arrange them on the timeline in the correct order. After that, drag and drop your voiceover file below the video track. Now play the video from the beginning and make sure the visuals match the narration. If any clip is too short or too long, simply adjust its duration to match the voiceover. If you want to add effects, transitions, zoom animations, or motion effects, you absolutely can. However, for this type of video, they aren't really necessary. The simple style works very well, so it's completely your choice. You can also add captions if you'd like. Captions can sometimes improve watch time and engagement, but again, they're optional. For this video style, I prefer to keep things simple. Once everything is arranged, watch the entire video from start to finish and make sure everything looks good. Check that. The voiceover is synced properly. All clips are in the correct order. There are no empty gaps. The video flows smoothly after reviewing everything. Click export and render the video in high quality, and that's it. Your video is now complete and ready to upload to YouTube. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found it helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.